Hello friends, if you've been looking for a way to earn some cool money on the internet, Hamster Kombat is the current trend in town. This is a very simple game that pays you simply for clicking on a button continually on Telegram. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to put you through how you can earn some money simply by playing this game on Telegram. Watch this video till the end and follow my instructions so that you'll be one of those that continually earn some money on the internet through cryptocurrency. My name is Kalisto Sonyoshi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet.
So friends, to start up with Hamster Kombat, I have dropped the link to this platform in the description section of this video. So what you need to do is to click on that link and you will be brought exactly to this interface. Then the next thing to do when you come here is to click on the start button, which you are going to see immediately you open the link. Then you are going to scroll down a bit and then you are going to click on play in one click. So you're going to click on this button here, play in one click. Okay, and it's loading. Okay, then you will be brought to this interface. So this is where you're going to take the major actions. The very first thing you have to do is to choose an exchange. So to do that, you're going to click on this button where I have a gate.io. Initially, it's going to have a different caption, exchange. You are seeing gate.io because I've already chosen gate.io as my exchange. So you're going to click on this button and then you're going to click on choose exchange. Then from here, you can choose any exchange of your choice. Alright, that is how the system is designed. You just choose any exchange of your choice and you're the CEO of that exchange on this game. Alright, so after choosing your exchange, then you go back and click on this button here, right? And then you have to start tapping on this button with the hamster icon. You're going to start tapping on it continually. As you're tapping on it, you'll be accumulating this coin. Alright, you're going to start from the first level, which is level 1, the silver level, I think. You're going to continually tap on this button to keep accumulating this coin. That is the first thing and the first way to start earning these coins on this platform. So friends, the second way to accumulate more of this coin is to buy some packages with the coins that you have already, and that is why I suggest that you do this tapping for a long time so that you accumulate a lot of this coin that you can use to buy packages that will help you mine faster even when you are offline. All right, so when you have accumulated at least up to, let me say, 100,000 of this coin, then you can use it to buy these other packages. All right, now to increase your earning rate and to help you earn while you are offline, you're going to click on this mine button here and buy some packages. So you click on mine button, right? Now you can see these different options. These are subscriptions that you have to do with the coins that you have already earned from this platform, and you can see the cost of each one of them. These ones that have these coins highlighted are the ones that you can access at the moment. Now you can see this one that says fan tokens, right? It will cost you up to 11.02k of these coins. That is 11,002 coins of this coin, and then you are going to be earning 950 coins per hour once you buy this particular package. The next one here, BTC pairs, it costs you 276 of this coin and you're going to earn 40 per hour. You can see the next one, ETH pairs, um top 10 CMC pairs. You can see their cost and the earning rate. All right, so you access each one of them and choose as many as possible. I've chosen almost all of them. That is why you saw that my earning rate increased to, you can see here, 15.06k. This means that even if I am offline, all right, without tapping on the button, I'll still be earning these coins because I have done some subscriptions. All right, So when you have finished selecting all these ones, let me give you an example. Let me just choose anyone, or although I've chosen all these things already, let me just choose anyone for illustration's sake. Now let me choose this first one again, fan tokens. I'm going to click on it, and you can see what it's saying. So this is going to cost me 11,025 of these coins. I don't want to do it because I've done it already. So after choosing all these ones, you can click on this PR and team. All right, and then you can see other subscriptions. You can see them here, right? So you can still click on them, click on as many as possible, right? Because they higher your subscriptions, they higher your earning rate. Okay, you can see, right? So after clicking on this PR and team, there are different subscription options. Then you go ahead to click on legal. All right, you can still choose any of the subscriptions here to increase your earning rate. After clicking on legal, you can choose from each one of these sections. All right, now I'm going to click on specials as well, so that you see the ones that are available for specials. Now these are the cards that I have activated already. All right, I have already subscribed for all these ones you are seeing here. So my earning rate is up to 15,000 of this coin, even if I am offline. So now what you're going to do is to click on new cards to see the available options that you can subscribe to. Okay, all right, so you're going to see them highlighted. Then you choose any one of your choice and subscribe to them. Okay, so this is my card. Initially this place is going to be empty until you buy some of these packages. So this ones you are seeing here is because I've already purchased them. All right, so there are 4 different sections here. You choose from each one of these sections. If possible, if you have accumulated much coin, you can buy all of them, because as I said earlier, the higher your subscriptions, the higher your earning. All right, let me just go back to this PR and team and just choose one to show you. Okay, okay, let me choose. Which one am I going to choose? Which one am I? Okay, this one that says 1.14k to earn 621 coins, because it's a bit higher. So I'm going to click on it again, even though I've done it 2 times. So I'll click on go ahead. All right, and you can see what is happening. I've already activated it. So my earning rate has increased to 15.4. Initially it was 15.1 or so, but then it's 15.4. So the more subscriptions you buy, the more you earn. All right, so that is it about the mine button. Okay, let me just go back to the original interface and do some clicks and keep accumulating. So as the thing is mining automatically, as I'm clicking, I am earning as well. So friends, the next task to do to help you earn more of this coin is the invitation task, where you have to invite people or your friends to earn more of these coins. So to do this, you're going to click on this friends button. All right, so this one is very simple. All you need to do is just to copy your invitation link and send to people to join this platform through your link, and you will earn more of these tokens. You can see 5,000 for your friend and then 25,000 for your friends on premium package on Telegram. All right, so to invite people or your friends, you're going to click on this copy button to copy your link and share to people. So friends, the next way to earn more coins from this platform is through the earn button. So you're going to click on this earn button, all right, and then you're going to complete these tasks here. These are different tasks, so each one of them carries its own amount of coins. All right, so anyone you complete, they are very simple tasks that you have to do. You'll be given additional coins. So the initial one here is a daily reward, so you're expected to be checking in here daily to earn the daily reward. Once you click here, you understand, you can see the number of coins for the day. So once you click on claim, all right, you'll be given these coins every day. So you have to check in here every day to earn additional coins from this section. All right, so this is for the daily reward. Now to join the game, you're going to click on this button. It's just very simple. Click on join and then perform all the tasks that will be brought to you. The next one is simple. Just to join the Telegram channel for this Hamster Kombat, you click on join. You click on join, and then after joining, you'll be given 1,000. You scroll down to the next one, join the Telegram group, and you'll be given 1,000. You're going to join their Medium channel, and you'll be given 1,000. You join their Discord for 1,000. Then you follow them on Twitter or X, right? Then you choose you had already chosen your exchange. So once you click on here, you'll be able to claim the coins for choosing your exchange. That was the first thing we did. Now, inviting our friends. Once you invite up to 3 friends, you'll be able to claim 10,000 additional coins. This 10,000 is different from that 5,000 you'll be giving from each one of your friends. So once you've invited up to 3 friends, you claim 10,000 coins. All right. So that is it about this earn button and earn section. All right. So these are additional ways to earn from here. Okay. So so friends, for this airdrop button, there is nothing much to do here. Alright, this is just their timeline, alright? More like a sequence of steps before we get to the airdrop task list, alright? So that's it for this particular button. Okay, friends, after exhausting all these options here, there is one particular option that I want to show you too. Now, when you have accumulated up to 4,000 coins for this particular section, remember once you reach 4,000 by tapping here, it will reset and start counting from 0 again. Now, the initial level I think should start from 1,000. Then when you get to level 4, you'll be able to accumulate up to 4,000. Okay, now in a situation where you have exhausted your 4,000, let me just exhaust this 4,000. All right, let me exhaust 4,000 and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now once you exhaust your 4,000 coins for this particular session and you want to continue tapping immediately, like you want to continue tapping up to 4,000, then you're going to click on this boost. You can see this boost button here. Click on it and then you'll be brought here where you have to click on full energy to reset that claimable coins to the original amount instead of waiting for it to count from 0 to 4,000. Then once you click on this free energy, it can be reset to 4,000 immediately so that you continue tapping. So you can do this every 1 hour. All right, you can boost every 1 hour and you have 6 boosts for the day. It might be lesser for lower levels, but for this current level I have up to 6 boosts. That means you can use this boost 6 times in 24 hours. All right, so now the next section here, turbo is not activated yet. Now where you have boosters, all right, when you click on this multi tap, you can pay some coins to increase the number of coins you can tap at a go. All right, so this one costs up to 8,000 to add additional coin to 4. Remember, for each tap in my current level I am earning up to 4 coins. So if I want to increase it to 5 coins per tap, then I'm going to pay this 8,000 to increase it. So that is what this one is all about. Now for the energy limit, this one is to increase the limit of coins for a particular section. Just like I have 4,000 already that I can claim for a particular section, all right, I can increase it to 4,500 by paying 16,000 of this coin. So that is what these two buttons do. All right, so these are just ways to increase your mining rate for tapping. Okay, so I'll go back to the initial screen and then I'll do some tap, and that is it guys about these Hamster Kombat. So you have to keep doing this continually to increase your earning rate, and remember to always check in to claim the mined coins and then do the tapping to earn more coins. Invite your friends too. So that is it guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, because I share values on this channel. There are a lot of things to benefit from my channel. You'll always see updates like this and the ones that are even far more better than this. Please subscribe to my channel. You like this video, drop your comments if there is any. You share this video, and remember to continually check my channel for more updates. I am your friend Kalisi Sonyochi. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in my next video.